So the people that make the Hedgehog sent me one of their spiral featherboards to give it a try. It's kind of a neat concept. I haven't used featherboards a lot in the past. I have some. A lot of times what I would do is I'd just take a stick and put right there, because then I didn't have to bother with readjusting the featherboard, because that was always kind of a hassle. They've got around that with this guy, with this spiral that just kind of moves in and easily adjusts to the diminishing size of the stock. They also sent me a second one where I can stack it and for thicker, wider, bigger stock. So let's give this guy a try. That was pretty slick. That works pretty good. I like it.